Hello everyone, welcome to our first podcast of Genov Stolen Podcast. Today we will discuss about our guest's vacation. First of all, my name is Alsat Olyaputra, or you may call me Al. Before we get started, may my guests introducing themselves first.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rafid Adli Muriski Purba.
Hello, my name is Amira Bashila Sarwa.
Hello, my name is Felicia Tabaren.
Okay, from what I've heard, you guys are travelers and you guys decided to go to Indonesia. Am I right?
Right.
So, which one do you recommend it for us?
Actually, in Indonesia, there are many tourist spots, but I recommend to the Borobudur Temple, and we have visit Borobudur Temple last week.
Yes, I agree with Rafid. It becomes the largest Buddhist temple in the world. This temple is located in Borobudur Village, Magelang, center of Java, Indonesia.
Yes, I agree too. Borobudur Temple is also included in UNESCO list of World Heritage Site.
So, talking about the transportation, how do you get to the Borobudur Temple and how much does it cost to enter the Borobudur Temple?
We went there by train to Lempuyangan Station, and from there we continued by Damri bus.
In my opinion, transportation to go to the Borobudur is easy, and admission to the Borobudur Temple is also affordable.
Okay, next talk about the place that you stayed. Where do you spend your night at Borobudur Temple?
We stayed at a guest house which was about 800 meters away from the Borobudur Temple.
It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get there.
Next one, what food do you have at the temple?
There is a food court near the temple. In there, we ate a traditional food from Yogyakarta like gudeg, sate klatak, and tiwul.
Yes, the taste is good and affordable. I'm very recommending gudeg for your lunch at Borobudur Temple. And we also bought bapia patok for souvenir.
Okay, I want to ask you guys some question. What is the most attractive things that you know about Borobudur Temple?
In my opinion, the food at the Borobudur Temple is cheap and the taste is not bad at all. Also, the view at Borobudur Temple is very beautiful.
So, talk about the view. What kind of view that you see at the temple?
In the top of the temple, we can see the sunset in the evening. And we can also see a view of mountain like Talemoyo Mountain, Merbabu Mountain, Merore Mountain, and many more.
Okay, thank you Rafid. What about you, Feli?
There is a dome located on the top center of the temple and is surrounded by 72 Buddha statues, each seated inside a perforated stupa. And I've heard from locals, if you place your hand into the stupa through one of its hole and you can touch the Buddha statue, you will be able to make one of your dreams come true. I think this is an interesting thing.
Oh, that's a nice education for me. So, have you touched the statue?
Sadly, I cannot touch it.
Okay, thank you for the information, Feli. So, what about you, Mir?
There's many reliefs in the temples. These reliefs tells about ancient stories written in Sanskrit language and read by Mapradakisana's way. Mapradakisana is a way to read in accordance with the clockwise direction. The way to read the story is starting from the east side of the gate at every level of the temple. There are so many stories written on Borobudur's wall, and this is an interesting thing for me.
Okay, that's a nice story that you have. So, what story do you remember the most?
The story that I remember on this relief is Karma Vibhanga, which we earn on the foot of this temple. It tells about karma. This relief depicts human action both reprehensible and commendable along with what will they have.
Okay, last question. From 1 until 10, how much you rate the Borobudur temple?
I will take 9 out of 10.
I think I will take 8.5 out of 10.
In my opinion, I'll take 9.5 out of 10.
Okay, thank you for the answer. So, the last one. The Borobudur temple is very friendly to foreigner like us that loves a cheap and an interesting tour. And I like the stories behind the Borobudur temple as Amira said to me. So, I think that's all for today. Genov Stalin signing out. Bye, see you next time.
Bye, see you next time.